Hello, hello, my lovely friends, and welcome back to the Spooky Channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the Halloween digital ephemera pack that I created for this Halloween of 2024, and Halloween's into the future as well. Some of you had asked if I was going to be doing a digital pack, and yes, of course, as you know, anything to do with Halloween, I'm all in. Now, I'm a little teeny tiny bit behind, but it is ready. It is done. It is on my website. Oops. And it is also in my Etsy shop. So again, 5 pages. Oh my goodness. You'd think I'd never done this before. Okay, I'll just stay down here. 5 pages. 5 JPEG files. I like to do my digitals so that you don't have to open up any zip files. I know zip files are easy for most people, but for some people, zip files are a little bit frustrating. And I just like to keep it simple. With the 5 files... Okay, now let's get a little bit closer. So those of you who watched a lot of my Halloween flip-throughs, you will recognize some of this artwork. And anyways, so very simple, 5 files, just click and save. You know, if you're somebody who is not used to using digitals, oh my god, or me who's not used to using a camera, please feel free to email me and I can help walk you through the process. The one thing I will say about purchasing digitals on Etsy, you have to use a desktop computer. And I don't understand why they've done it this way, but you can buy the files through an iPad or an iPhone, but you can't download them onto your tablet directly from the app. It's really quite annoying, I have to say. And it can be very confusing. So, if you're having some problems, definitely email me. I can do... I mean, I can't really help much with the whole Etsy thing, but certainly if you're on my website, don't hesitate to reach out. Because, like I've said before in other videos, it's just me. It isn't like you're reaching out to a team, a bunch of strangers, or a bunch of techie guy geeks. And you feel silly asking questions, so please don't. It's just me. And I can help you on my website. And it's the same thing. You just buy the file. Once you have purchased, completed your purchase on my website, you'll get an email from me with the 5 files attached, and you just click them, open them, and save them. So there you have it. These I always print out on cardstock, 65-pound cardstock. And yeah, sometimes what I like to do, depending on what I'm doing, I'll print them out and then maybe I might print something on the back. Something very light, or even some lines or something, you know. If you're going to use these for journal cards or whatever, sometimes it's kind of handy. The circles, just so you know, I was thinking of you might be using paper punches. So like this one is 1.5 inches. So if you have 1.5 inches paper punch, this one 1.25 inches and 1.5 inches, and that one is 1.5 inches as well. So if you're anything like me, you're not super great at cutting out circles by hand. Mine always look a little wobbly. So I try and make it so that when I do circles with my digitals, that it's either 1 inch, 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches, or 2 inches, so that you can use your paper punches, your Fisker or whatever kind of punches that you have. I tried to keep it fun and interesting and a little bit spooky, but not too scary, and definitely very retro and vintagey looking, because you guys know how much I love vintage and retro. So we've got, you know, full moons and spooky settings and lots. You'll notice I went heavy on the cats. because I couldn't resist. So anyways, okay, that's it. Thank you very, very, very much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, please give it a little thumbs up. And until the next video, speak kindly to yourselves. Enjoy your spooky Halloween process. What's today? Today is the 5th. And I cannot believe we are almost a week into October already. But anyhow, take care, everybody. Mwah. I'll talk to you soon.